Well, hello everybody. My name is William Dunn. We're going to be doing something kind of fun today. We're going to do some exotic fish. There's something to think about with a subject matter like this. It's all soft edges, except for the outside. So that's going to be a wet into wet thing to get that softness with the transition from the pinks and purples and oranges and greens and blues and all the color that's in here. This is going to be a lot of fun. So my actual drawing, the fish, are larger than they are here. So they're a little bit too dead center. So if I were to crop this, I could come in and crop it, maybe fix that. So I think what I'm going to do is put some of these rays of light and things back here. And maybe this can be dark with the rays of light here and the bright fish against darker water over here. So I am anticipating kind of a layout with dark, bright, light, and dark again. We'll see if that is going to work for me. There's a light coming down. The fish is underwater. Still, there is some light coming down, so the bottom side is going to be a little darker. So I do have to be aware of that. Now I don't want the water so busy that it detracts from the fish, but I do want it to look a little bit lively. So I'm just mindful of what I'm doing here, that the water is not the subject, really.